what I'm perhaps willing to at some point participate in once my kids are older and they're no longer like entirely my responsibility, and like if I take that risk, it's entirely onto me, is like these controlled studies. I know that for example, like Stan Grof was at a point doing experiments with psychedelics at the Johns Hopkins University. That was like in the, I think, late 60s. That was.
Yeah.
And then you know what happened with the whole kind of rise
They
of the
haven't
war on
been
drugs.
allowed, yeah.
They criminalized it, but now it's been decriminalized again, and Johns Hopkins University is back at the forefront. The same university is back at the forefront of treating people that have like either going through trauma or are going through traumatic experiences like terminal cancer and things of that nature, with very, very successful results. And again, for me, that's having the cake and eating it, kind of, because it's the balance, right? It's the medical portion with the psychedelic portion, and it's those two things kind of very carefully administered. And there's a lot, like when you hear these doctors speak, or there's a lot of reverence for it. There's a lot of respect for it. There's they understand the power of it, right? And I feel like some people really know how to wield that power slowly and with caution.
Yes, definitely. And so we have to remember that we shouldn't put out the baby together with the water, throw away the baby together with the water. So we have to sort of refine what is essential, what is not.
Yeah.
For example, like cannabis being legalized in Malta did a lot of harm to the young people. It's damaged their mind. So even though like scientifically it's proven it not makes people dependent, but I saw how it intoxicates their perceptions and stabilize their thing. And actually I spoke with a few really experienced smokers. They've been smoking cannabis for many years before it was legalization. And they said that they stop because it's not make them better. The problem with our civilization is the indulgence. The alcohol, is it good or bad? But we're indulging on alcohol. So our sexuality, it's a sacred tool. What we made from sexuality, we make a porno, we misuse it, we devalue that. So, and everything what a human being touched, so it devalues, depleted, and intoxicated. The food.
Right.
The food, the essential needs for daily life. So what we're doing, we're depleting the food. There is no nutrients in the food now. It's empty. The prices are growing up, but the quality is going down because there is no nutrients. So now everyone is in a food supplement. Why should we eat supplements if we have the food? Because it's empty food. So we do not receive what do we need. How we can change it? We have to be aware about it, and we have to stand up for that.
Mela, tlaqna?